So we're crazy. GoPro does have a rain layout. They will let us take the track, do some racing. It's gonna be a blast. We're gonna get soaked. Let's do it. A few of my friends decided to rent out GoPro Motorplex for a party. Unfortunately, you can't control the weather, but much to our surprise, GoPro actually has a rain layout. After coming here for over 4 years, we thought we had this place figured out. Well, running it in the rain is like a brand new track. If you could figure out a way to stay dry, you're gonna have a great time. We had some improvised weather gear. Some people brought trash bags, other people went to Tractor Supply for waders. The carts were still on slicks, so they really didn't want to turn. On a dry day, you really don't want to lock up the rear brakes because you'll spin around so fast. But since the carts couldn't tread water and were understeering really bad, drifting was really the best way to get around the corner. Lock up the rear, flick the wheel, get that cart to rotate, countersteer, try to hold that drift, get back on the throttle. It was really challenging. People were slipping and sliding everywhere, ended up off into the grass, but it was still a ton of fun. If you think you've seen it all on GoPro Motorplex, you really need to check it out on a rainy day.